Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of this phone icon. So just tap on it and find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it. Then let's tap on this either settings icon in the right upper corner, or you can simply scroll down to find the option block numbers. Let's tap on it. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive calls or messages from this number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see now, we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here. Simply tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, because right now we will enter it, and I will show you another way of blocking the number, which is not saved in your contacts. I'm so sorry for that. All right, so now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Right here in general, we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist right here, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. We can also tap on add a number, and here we can enter it manually, so we do not have to have it saved. Simply tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown, which means that after turning it on by tapping on the switcher, we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. And you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it. And if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.